to do a really quick video on mixing this hot pink fondant. For the longest time, I was trying to achieve this color and I couldn't. I was trying to use a lot of pink. I tried to mix it with some red. I tried to mix it with some burgundy, and I could never achieve this beautiful shade of hot pink, which is in so many decorations for birthday parties, until one of my cake friends online, I can't remember who it was. I think it was a Real Debbie Does Cakes or someone else. I'm sorry, I can't remember. But she had that color on her cake, so I asked her, and she graciously shared that information with me. So what I used to achieve that color is this Wilton Rose. And then this is Sugar Flare, Claret, I'm gonna say it wrong, but these two colors mixed together will help you achieve this beautiful shade of hot pink. So I already put some of the Wilton Rose on here. It was about this much on a toothpick, and I wiped it there. That's when I decided I wanted to record this. So then I'll do the same thing with this Sugar Flare and take and mix it up a little bit and take a hefty amount on a toothpick and wipe it on here so I can get a nice shade of pink. I have a little bit of Crisco to prevent it from sticking to my hands, so I wipe on the countertop as well. And then just start to mix it together. And this is that beautiful shade of hot pink that I've always tried to achieve that I was never able to get to. So I hope that helped anyone out there who's trying to achieve that beautiful hot pink. I will link both of them below so you can buy them if you wanted to. If you want to see more videos like this, just hit the subscribe button, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!